Hello? Hi Jared, how are you? You need me to prepare my Ronin S gimbal? Sure. You need a steady shot with the gimbal in 2 minutes? Okay. Hey, what's up guys? How you doing today? For those around new here, my name is Lothar. I'm from Düsseldorf, Germany, and I bought a couple of days back this quick release plate for my DJI Ronin S. The company is Andycine. I hope I pronounced right. I bought that in Amazon for around 45 bucks, 45 euro, and I'm surprised. I don't know. I mean, I never saw a video on YouTube about this quick release plate, because this quick release plate is the game changer. You just fix that on your Ronin S, or you can use it also for other gimbals. It's like for the DJI Ronin S, the Air S2, the Air SC2, the Zhiyun Crane 2 and 3, the Weebill 5, and the FIU AK 4500 and the Moza Air 2. So if you're having the same issue like me, because when sometimes you using the gimbal, I'm using the DJI Ronin S and going to the shoot, clients are also there, and they see how I try to balance the gimbal. Because as you know, if you have a gimbal, it's really sometimes annoying to prepare the camera on the gimbal and that you can start to shoot. Sometimes you need 5 minutes, sometimes 10 minutes, depends also on which lens you're using. But now with this quick release plate, ready to go. I never have to balance my gimbal again, and I will explain you how to prepare your gimbal with this quick release plate. So first of all, you take the Andycine plate, and I fixed it on the DJI Ronin S gimbal, or you can use other gimbals with this plate. Link below also I make a description about this company, so you can check on the website from Andycine. Then I'm using this awesome quick release plate, which I just bought a couple of weeks back from the PGI Tech. I made also, link below here, a video about the PGI Tech new vlogging tripod. Very awesome. And then I found out this quick release plate is so awesome that I ordered 5 of them for all my cameras. I believe Andycine have also similar quick release plates, but I'm very happy with this quick release plate. So I fixed now the quick release plate on my camera. Mostly I use, for 99% when I have a camera on my gimbal, the Canon RF 15-35mm lens, ready to go. I mean, almost 99%. I don't use any other lens on the gimbal. After you have balanced your gimbal with the camera and it's excellent, you leave this plate for, I leave this plate for the rest of the life from the DJI Ronin S, because as I said, 99% I'm using the RF 15-35mm lens. So I just leave this plate on the gimbal, and whenever I want to shoot on the gimbal, I just take my camera, put the quick release plate under the camera, put it on the gimbal, and it's balanced. So you don't have to balance your gimbal anymore, which I really don't like sometimes in front of clients, where they are thinking, hey, is this an amateur? Did he don't know how to balance his gimbal? Because people maybe don't understand that sometimes it's difficult to balance the gimbal. It's not a really hard thing, but sometimes it's a bit annoying. So that's today from my side. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, smash the like button and ring the notification bell. It's the algorithm of YouTube. I highly appreciate. And see you in my next video. Peace.